Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Amphi, and today I have some tips and tricks for the start with your Motorola Edge 40. We're gonna go through some steps that you might want to take to get started with your new phone, and we'll jump right into it. And the first one is to use the adaptive brightness. You have that thingy here where you can set the brightness of your phone, but you can also go to your settings and then go to display and turn on the adaptive brightness. That will save you some battery because your phone learns what environments the brightness can be turned down and where you need more brightness. It also learns from your behavior when you change it yourself. So that's one useful thing to do. The next thing you might want to do is go to battery and turn on the optimized charging. So charge more efficiently to keep your battery healthy. Your device learns your charging pattern and predicts how long it's usually plugged in. After establishing a pattern, it charges the battery to 80% and then waits to charge the final 20 until shortly before you unplug. Alright, you can also turn on the overcharge protection to, keep your battery healthy. Limit charging when your device has been plugged in continuously for 3 days to keep your battery healthy and prevent long-term overcharging. You can also go ahead and go to apps and then go to all apps here, and then click on an app, and you can go to permissions here and say what it's allowed to use and what it's not allowed to use. That can also be very useful in terms of data security and stuff. Next thing you can do is to go to your display again and then go to screen timeout, and here you can set your screen timeout. You can also enable the attentive display, prevents your screen from turning off when you're looking at it. Otherwise you can set 15 seconds, 30 seconds, so your phone is never on for too long. Next thing that might be really useful is to block unwanted callers. So you can go to your phone icon, go to the 3 little dots and go to settings, and then you can say caller ID and spam, and you can block all these spam callers, and you can also block unknown and unidentified callers or specific numbers where you don't want the person to be able to reach out to you. Next thing you can do is to enable the dark mode. It's enabled right now. I will show you how you can do that. You need to go to your display and then go to the dark theme. It's turned on right now. It's off right now. To save some battery and for a cheek appearance, you can turn that on. And the next thing that might be really useful, when you go to your settings and go to gestures, you have a lot of things that you can enable and disable here. You can make settings about the sidebar, the system navigation. So right now we have the 3-button navigation, but you can also say gestures. We have the jump to lock screen, put display to sleep, one-handed mode, swipe to split. So you have a lot of things you can set there to make yourself an easy start with your Motorola Edge 40. So these were my tips. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.